In this production, we'll be making a delicious dinner you can make at home. So you microwave this chicken nugget. Actually, what you'll need is this blue flour bowl, this plate, this chicken nugget, this knife, and let me grab something. Little special ingredient.
Blake, the cheese fell on top of it.
Dude, you're ruining the experiment. I was already going to do that.
Voice.
Let me cut it down. Oh, these cheese balls by hers. Yeah, beautiful. So, now we're going to chop it up. You can make this with like actual like chicken breast or whatever you want. This is just a small amount to see how delicious it actually is. Coat your like chicken actually in this. I think it's like that. I don't know how warm this is. Probably need a microwave. So got that. It's really, I don't want to cut it too much or else the skin's gonna fall off. But we'll try to do a couple more slices. You know, I'm sure it's delicious. Like, I would eat it. Okay, there we go. Is that. Then, we're gonna get this out of here. Set it on the stove. That I some reason have. Okay, you got your cheese balls. You're gonna take, like, 3 for now. Then you're gonna tip your knife backwards and smash. Or use whatever you want to smash. I use knives. Until it's like a powder. I originally was going to make a banana popsicle with this as coating. So 3 should be enough. And you're going to switch back to this. And you're going to cook it, which I'll be right back for. Here I'm going to... Oops. Keep the viewers entertained while I'm gone.
Okay.
Do a good job.
There is Bagel. Oh God. He is actually in the middle of mauling me. If you notice, he really likes to maul people. Oh my God. He's trying to put up his face. Look, stop it! Stop it! Dude! Stop! Get! Seriously, man! Oh my God! You were saving me! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Bye, guys. You want me to fight back? Fine. What's he doing? He's going back! He's going back! Oh my God! I'm by the pants. Hey. Pop. He's doing it. Wrestle him! Take it back! Hey! Hey! Someone can't get on the couch! Oh, oh no! He got there! He got on the couch! Here he is, I caught him. Calm down! Oh, ow, ow! Sleep. No, my foot isn't a toy! Rest. Hey, dude! That wasn't nice. I got to go hard. I will go hard. Look at my nice dog toy. Hey, ow, man. Don't howl. It was really blurry when I was doing it.
Keep them entertained.
Ow!
And how long I cooked these was for, I forget. Oh, original to just thaw them because they were in the freezer was 25. Flip it 20. That did that, and I added 15. And I added some lemon before I recooked it and after, so you make sure you can. And also so this powder sinks in. So should I have this?
I knew the filming was terrible.
Cool. See, you're horrible. Took too much time out of this video. Firing you. So get out of here, Charger. You're not part of the crew. And that dog wants to be on my video. So now we're going to. So got all this, just sprinkle it. And if you don't add this cheese powder, they're gonna be like, "Yo, that's bland." So you've got to add this.
No scenes. No scenes.
Or else they'll be like, "Dead." No. Exactly reaction. Definitely be like that. Then you're gonna wanna give it a light blow and then click the counter off. Just get it on the floor. I won't show you sweep them tomorrow anyways. So you should sweep the floor. Now that you've got that done, you've got our taste tester.
Me?
Yeah. Try it.
Oh.
Here, we eat with knives around here. Puppy. Hey, get on camera.
This good?
Don't hit me with that knife. Get it up to where I can see it.
Here it is, covered in cheese.
Great, look what you did. Okay, cool. Eat.
Why is it so chewy? Yeah, disgusting.
He's just overreacting. Let me eat it.
Why is it sour?
I just want you to put lemon on it.
What? You put lemon on it?
It would taste good if you made a real chicken nugget. So he's overreacting,
It's not
and I'm
terrible.
allergic to lemons. So my face is puffing. Oh,
Come on, no, it's not.
somebody worked out.